the sound of the people. Just see everything. You can build your walls, Babylon. You can hide behind your towers, but truth has no shadow. Babylon cannot hide forever. Down in the valley where the poor man struggles, working all day just to carry his load, while the men in the high house count their silver, laughing as the people walk the road. They say the darkness will last forever. They say these chains will never break. But every morning brings a new beginning, and every sleeping heart is bound to wait. Truth may travel slowly, but truth will never die. You can cover up the evidence, but you cannot fool Jazai. One man eats fine in a room with locked doors. One child comes crumbs by the market stall. Same sun on the roof and the roadside, different lives, but just sees it all. Babylon cannot hide. No, no, no. Babylon cannot hide. Jah knows. Truth comes up with the sun. Rise up, rise up. When the people stand as one, the work has just begun. Babylon cannot hide. No, no, no. Babylon cannot hide. They take the bread from the hungry children and tell the people to be satisfied. They build their mansions behind high fences, while the poor man sleeps on the other side. But Jah never promised us easy living. He only promised to guide the way. So we keep on walking through the fire, knowing righteousness will have its day. Brother, don't surrender. Sister, don't lose your faith. The road may be long and difficult, but freedom cannot be erased. Babylon cannot hide. No, no, no. Babylon cannot hide. Jah knows. Truth comes up with the sun. Rise up, rise up. When the people stand as one, the work has just begun. From Kingston town to the African homeland, from the mountain top down to the sea, the same cry rises from every corner. Jah make your people free. No more silence in the face of injustice. No more sleeping beneath the lie. Let the children learn the truth of their history. Let them lift their heads to the sky. We don't need hatred to change tomorrow. We need courage, wisdom, and unity. For when the people awaken together, even the strongest chain can break and free. Lionheart rebels say, stand up. People say, stand up. Lionheart rebels say, speak truth. People say, speak truth. Lionheart rebels say, someday see the light of